In order to create group policy object, go to the server manager and go to tools, go to group policy management and click on that. Once you are in the group policy management, click on forest, click on domains, highlight the domain name, and go to group policy object. Click on that. Let's maximize this a little bit. Right click on the group policy object. Okay, and click new and give it a name. So let's give this a name, HR policies, and click OK. Once you click OK, you will see that a new policy has now been created. Right, it is created under the forest, under the domain. The domain is TechAkin.com, and under the group policy object for this domain, we've now created HR policies. Now to edit this policy, right click on the new policy, click edit, expand the group policy management editor, and here you can configure any type of policy for either users or computers. So for example, if I want to configure a policy for computer 200 within the HR group, I will edit this policy and select computer. I will go to policies. I will go to administrative template, and I will go to, let's take for example, control panel, personalization. So I can configure any of these policies for any of computer within the HR group. This concludes our lesson on how to create group policy within Active Directory. I'll see you in the next lesson.